Tonight, a brand new obstacle, the big wheel, makes its debut. While we were away, Wolfpack member Meagan Martin took it for a spin.
And Meagan adapts on the fly, uses her momentum expertly to conquer this never-before-seen obstacle.
And then Kevin Bull went back to his roots with his signature inverted technique.
What?
Up next, Jay may be the goofiest ninja from Ninjago, but his skills are no laughing matter. We'll see if he has the technique for the big wheel.
Uh-oh, he's too static. He needs to generate some momentum. Oh! Jay had the strength, but some more training with Master Wu will make him an even stronger contender.
Well, break out the cowboy hats. Lance Pekus, the Cowboy Ninja, is hustling past the big wheel and stampeding right up the warp wall. Yeehaw!